And welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first this evening, dancehall DJ VYBZ KARTEL is now gearing up for the second of two sold-out shows at the Barclays Arena in Brooklyn, New York, after a rapturous reception on Friday, his first performance on US soil in over 20 years. But even as the controversial entertainer works to change his image, Christians in Barbados are protesting his upcoming show on the island. They say Easter Sunday should remain holy. One of multiple videos online of VYBZ KARTEL at the Barclays Arena in Brooklyn, New York, Friday night. It's his first performance in the United States in over 2 decades after being without a visa and then spending just under 13 years in prison for murder. A conviction quashed by the Privy Council.
People, I've been through a lot. I'm not sorry for it. I'm not pity.
The summertime DJ is set to perform to another sold-out crowd tonight at the same venue as he continues his inaugural tour since his release from prison last July. Among his slew of upcoming performances, the Kensington Oval in Barbados at the Caribbean Music Festival.
April the 28th. All them say them bad and them no consult yet. I want Barbados spin them like tornadoes.
But not all Bajans are happy.
But our word to Mr. VYBZ KARTEL and the promoters right now is this: we are definitely against your coming here to sing and parade on Easter or Sunday, where the church look forward to quiet reflection and worship.
The protest, staged by a group of Christians today, comes 8 days before the DJ headlines the show titled "The Comet is Coming."
In fact, we are not in agreement with any other day if you're coming with something negative. If you're negative, stay away. If you're positive, you're welcome. So the church today is saying loud and clear with her feet on the ground, nowhere in this country and not on Easter.
The group says there must be a commitment to positive music for them to be comfortable with the God is the Greatest DJ's performance.
If you come to sing songs, I would encourage them to be involved in droughts and things that are negative. And we will have more increase in murders. We said not about here. We will welcome you if you come here for good. But if you come for negative, we will not allow that. We say not about here.
But since his release, KARTEL has been on a quest to change his image.
I make a pact with God, so I'm going to be a better man. I'm going to just stick to that. Now I'm nobody get me down. I'm going to go back where I come from.
Similar concerns were raised by church groups in Bahamas ahead of his performance there recently. VYBZ KARTEL was nominated for a Grammy, received a MOBO award, re-released an album, and has sold out the National Stadium in Jamaica since his release.
I mean, don't you ever like me, because I want to show love. Oh, baby, I so
hungry, 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 hungry days again. Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.